Well, the state of the world's environment is firmly under the spotlight this Environment Month. Recently, Coca-Cola announced ambitious plans to recover and recycle a large portion of their single-use plastics. The plan for Africa is being implemented through business units called PETCOs, or PET recycling companies. $12 million has already been invested in getting these operations off the ground. Angelo Coppola reports.
There are 15 countries involved in the project. South Africa and Kenya have established recycling operations, while Ethiopia, Tanzania will come on stream soon. The group also has contracts with recyclers. However, the scale of the problem is huge.
PET bottles, as you know, is a pack of choice for the consumer. It is very popular, it's safe, convenient, and it's cheap to manufacture. It's a low carbon footprint pack, but it's non-returnable. We have a big portion of our plastic being non-returnable, and that's why our efforts are to collect and recycle these bottles.
Environmentalists aren't convinced that companies that produce single-source plastics are doing enough.
The point of the pollution, or the point of the source of the plastic pollution, is with the companies, and that's where the change actually needs to happen. It's not saying there's no room for recycling, but is the investment at the right place, and is the responsibility put in the right hands, which is the people. So they're not doing enough, absolutely not.
In Coca-Cola's case, the South African operation produces around 58,000 tons of preforms and bottles annually. It's understood that their South African PETCO business collects around 100 tons of single-use plastics.
We are collecting other people's bottles. And that is the example, the South Africa example is what we're rolling out on the rest of the continent. We want also all other countries, and we have started, as I said, in Kenya. In Mozambique, we're going to be 100% this year already. Namibia, we'll be close to 50. So we're in every country working on a project on collecting back all our bottles.
Environmentalists suggest that companies look at their manufacturing processes differently.
They should be thinking more about how they're going to reduce and reuse. And we always hear it, reduce, reuse, and recycle. They've gone to the end of the sequence of actions that you can actually do. And what we're saying is that if they focus on reducing, really, which is eliminating plastic, and they've got targets and ambitious targets around there as Coca-Cola on how they're going to do that and how soon they're going to do it. Because they do have ambitions around by 2025, there's 50% of what they produce is going to be made from recycled materials. What are they doing now in 2019, in 2020?
While corporates and environmentalists continue arguing about the right approach to saving the world's environment, the issue right now is single-use plastics. That issue has to be resolved sooner rather than later. I'm Angelo Coppola for CGTN in Johannesburg, South Africa.